What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am about to be touring some new apartments for y'all in Da Nang. If you're excited for this content, hit that like button for me, hit that subscribe button if you're new to this channel, and also hit that notifications bell so you guys do not miss my content. Cop y'all some merch if y'all haven't already. This is my brand, Bender, and if you are a travel enthusiast, then you are a bender. So rock the brand with me. But yeah, I hope y'all have been good. Let's go find out what prices are in Da Nang this fall of 2026. Okay, this is the building. There is construction going on right next door, so I can't be living here trying to make music during the daytime, and that's gonna go into my decision of where I live next. Let's see what it looks like. All right, here goes the unit. Comes with these. Desk. Bed is firm but nice. Washing machine. Does it come with the TV?
No, no TV.
No TV.
Sẽ have microwave.
Microwave? It
Yeah.
will microwave. Okay.
Yeah.
Kitchen.
Mình bị
Fridge.
how many people we live here?
One person. Just me.
You?
Yeah, just me. Okay. All right. Let's see the bathroom now. It's nice size. Yeah. Yeah. This place looks brand new. Let's just see the price now. Okay, so what's the price?
6,500,000.
6,500,000 per month.
Yeah.
Okay. Deposit of 6,500,000 and 6,500,000 for the first month. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, so you can add this to your rent, and your rent will be 7.5 million. All right, guys. Here goes the next building. Let's see what they have. Okay, no elevator. Third floor. Okay. Okay, here we go. Kitchen area right here. Modern still. Dining table. Nice bedroom lighting. Washing machine. Fridge. Sliding door closet. A little more cabinetry up top. And then 2 drawers. Bed is pretty comfortable. No TV. You got a washing machine. Yeah, you got a balcony. Seems pretty noise proof in here. No noise issues. And let me see the restroom. The restroom is right here. It's okay. Just depends on the price. It doesn't have a TV. And no shower wall. Okay, so how much is this one? 5.5. Does, if I get a TV, can I get a TV for like 6 million or 6.5?
Only 300.
Oh, okay, so 5.8 million.
Yes.
All right, nice. Here is the next building now, guys. Next building now. Here we go.
So what is the
Elevator.
used for?
Okay. Goes a unit. It has everything for real. Nice hot ceilings. 1 burner stove. Fridge. Big bedroom. All it's missing is the TV. AC unit and a fan. Put a TV right there. Closet. Couch. Nightstand on both sides. The bed is comfortable enough. Sink right here, but you can get like a sneak peek at what your body looks like for the day. Nice industrial type of coffee table. Yeah, no balcony, but you can get some ventilation. Your restroom has the washing machine inside. You do have a washing machine. And then you do have a shower curtain. Towel rack right here. And then hygiene products rack right there. And shower with a rain head and a wand. Okay, nice. I like this one. It feels spacious. Couch. Do I have a desk situation? Oh yeah, that would be pretty important. I need myself like a desk situation. I would buy a desk though. I need a desk and a TV if I choose this. Okay. Let's check out the fridge. Pretty small. But it's brand new though. Okay, so yeah, how much is this one?
This one was only 6 million.
6 million. Okay. Okay, here goes another option now. 7 million. Restroom. The layout is cool. The reason it is 7 million is closet right there. High ceilings in this building. The reason it's 7 million is because of this balcony. Still no TV, washing machine. But yeah, this balcony definitely gives you a breath of fresh air and lighting, YouTuber lighting, pictures in your house lighting, content in your house lighting. Bed. Yeah. 7 million. Balcony. Nice, nice, nice. Marble coffee table. This place mounts the microwaves. It's pretty cool. Same fridge. And this building is brand new, so the fridge is brand new. Not lived in yet. 7 million. AC unit right there. Should come pretty direct towards your bed. Closet space. Really nice. You can put your tops on that rack. Put your bottoms on that rack. Drawers at the bottom. Do a bed check. Not horrible. Doable. Livable. Couch in here is black leather. And it's a futon. That one's definitely a futon, yeah. You got 2 beds in here. 2 beds because of the futon vibe. 7 million. Just need you a TV. This place takes up the price to 7.3 if you want a TV. I mean, it takes it up to 0.3 more if you want a TV. So 7.3 for this one, 6.3 for the other one. Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, guys, I found the ultimate room. It has the TV in it, gray couch, and this couch is a futon too. Bed, washing machine. It's looking like this might dry too. Yeah, that's crazy. They want 7.3 mil. 7.3 mil. You got your TV right here. Balcony. I guess you can hang on that black railing right there. You got lighting. Not any construction. It's midday when construction would be normal. No construction. Noise. I can get my rap on here because I cannot make rap songs where I live right now during the daytime. Microwave, fridge. What this place does is it adds the TV. AC unit right there. Yep, fan up there. I like this one the most. 7.3 million. Bathroom, same. All right, guys, I am ending this video right here. I have another set of apartment tours that I will be dropping tomorrow. So make sure y'all got them notifications on for me. And yeah, comment down below how y'all feel about these apartments. What y'all think. Is Asia still a dream come true for housing costs and living costs? Yeah, hit that like button for me. Share this with somebody who needs to know how cool Asia can be. And yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow in the next one. Love y'all, man. Cop y'all some vendor merch. If you are a travel enthusiast, you can look just like me out here. And yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow in the next one. Buy into your dreams, stay confident, stay consistent, and keep bending. Peace.
You my little secret, probably cause we both peace, so we try to keep it. Nice menu, met you at a rooftop party. I was gigging, let the valet handle my bike cause I was drinking. How many chances I'm getting to meet a East Coast girl that can use my world? I got a season, hit another bar across the water. I'ma meet you, we could watch Jamie Foxx to the sun come out to greet us. Underlay, mommy EI, cause I'm a phenom. I was still a heartthrob in a Nissan. I be all in your cage going a few rounds. If our friends ask about us, how we responding? Cause your friends keep asking about me, and my friends keep asking about you. Every time we link up, we power, telling us we look good.